this video I'm going to show you how you can get n8n in very cheap price using Hostinger. So if you see the regular price of n8n from the cloud pricing, so you see they charge 20 euro, but you can get the same kind of plan in just $5 to $6. For that, open your account with Hostinger, click on my account. So I will provide the link in the description to get the discount, so you can use my referral link here. So if you go into this VPS, so click on get new VPS plan, KVM VPS. Here just choose the best latency for you, and here you just need to search for n8n and click on n8n, select. So here you just need to type your password and click on next. So you can just take this one and click on next. So here you can see with 1 CPU and 4 GB RAM, 399 per month. So if I click on select, so here you just need to put my coupon code with Arjun, or if you have already click on the link, so it will automatically display there. Now I'll choose for 1 month for now, so which is 599 Indian rupees. It will be around $6 if you choose either 24 months or 12 months, so you can get it in cheaper. So I'll choose one of them, click on complete payment. So you see it's setting up the VPS. Now you can see, so this has been installed. So now if I click on manage application, so here you just need to put your email, name and password. So I'll quickly put that. So once you're set up, click on skip, and here you can see, so this is the basic interface of n8n. So click on start from scratch. So you can either start with the templates. So if you click on templates, so you can see there are different templates, but if you want to start, you can just click here, and here you can just choose on chat message, and you can add the AI models, AI agents. So you can do a lot more with these things. So I just wanted to show how you can get this n8n in cheaper price with Hostinger. Don't forget to use my referral code to get the discount. And in future videos, so I will be showing you how you can create different AI agent using n8n. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get the latest notification. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.